It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I have received a package that I have been waiting for quite a while, and I am super excited to open it. So, well, I've kind of got it out, the main box, and then there's a package inside which I will show you. But yeah, so it's from P.Louise Makeup Academy. I have quite a few bits to show you, and then a couple of bits also from It Cosmetics. So if that's something you fancy seeing, then please stay tuned. Right, okay, so first up I have this from It Cosmetics, which is, I must admit, the packaging got a little bit crumpled, but that's fine. We're not interested in that, are we? We want to see what the actual product's like. But this one is the CC Plus Illuminating Your Skin But Better Cream. It has SPF 50. It says colour correcting, illuminating, full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum. So I'm all for SPF, which you'll know if you've seen my videos before. And then you get this lovely packaging. It's a really nice size tube as well. So you get 32ml in here. I got it in the shade Light, which actually looks fairly decent. And then you get a pump as well, which is always very handy. So I'm not going to try this out today, because what I'm going to do is, the reason I've done these two items as well as the P.Louise unboxing is because I want to try them out in a separate video altogether. So there is that one. Then I also have the Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics as well. So this is full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. I can't actually remember the colour. Oh, Light Ultra Fair. So this one is a tube like that. Again, a fairly decent sized tube. 8ml in there. So yeah, so there is that as well. So that was just a quick one to show you that I got them, and that I will be putting those in my next makeup tutorial. Most importantly, that I'm very excited about, is this package here from P.Louise. How stunning is the packaging? And it gets better, believe me, it gets better as we go on. But so inside the, obviously the big protective cardboard box, you open it and you have this. I'm definitely going to keep this. I just think it's beautiful. I want to try and make a bit of like a little, set it all out together and have them all sat together looking all cute on my makeup drawers. I think that just looks stunning. But yeah, so we've got, so in here I do have the Dishin the Dirt set. So we've got that on one side there, and this like lovely gold embossed writing. And then on the back it says the Beauty Meal Deal of the Year, and you will see why when I open it. So, right. So first of all, it's just so pretty. I've got the Mirror P.Louise brush set. Now, I'm sorry, but I'm a huge Disney fan, so this is very appealing to me because it just looks like a fairy tale book. So what have we got? There's 3 makeup brushes in here. Ultimate Threat contains the sassiest trio designed to slay, and it has a mirror on the front, which actually feels like a proper mirror as well. And you open it up, so it's got a magnetic clasp. Open it up and look, it's just beautiful. So on the wall, who's causing trouble most of all? Sometimes in life, for you to win, you must pull your strength from the sinner within. With this trio of brushes with mindset to slay, leave the saint at home and bring the sinner to play. A stunning collection uniquely designed to kill the opposition with a feather-like touch. soft, sensual and ready to slay. What will be your weapon of choice? That's just adorable. It's little touches. I have to say P.Louise really are good at all the little touches. So we've got these 3 brushes. So they just feel amazing quality. Right, so we've got these 3 brushes. So kind of, I'll probably use them as eyeshadow brushes. I don't know, some of them look like they might be for concealer, but they are so well made. The quality is just perfect. There's no like struggly hairs or anything like that. They're just cut to perfection. So I'll say that was 1. I can trim him. But yeah, so you get a baby pink, a white and a black brush. This one is a bit thicker, and then you, obviously they go smaller, so you've got I'd say a large, medium and a small brush. So excited to use those. So with that you also get an Acid Rain cosmetic paint. So for the set I paid £24 I believe for the brushes and the cosmetic paint. I chose the colour Ibiza, which is like a purpley shade. I don't really have many purpley shades. I've got loads of pinks, neutrals, plummy colours, but yeah, so this one here, I don't know if, I see it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed for when I do the make. Oh, well it seemed to come off a bit easier. I thought it was going to be a peely one, but it looks like it's kind of just a more of a, looks like a bit of foil. Ooh. Right, in that case I will swatch it. Oh, okay, so it's quite quite thick. So, oh my god, that's super, oh, that's gonna be so fun to use. It's super pigmented. So we've got that gorgeous lilac-y purple. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. Even the packet, the box, look, it's just so pretty. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is, I didn't realise that. This is in collaboration with, I think it's Mama Mitchell. So, yeah, interesting. But yeah, really excited to use that. And then I got, again, look, it's like an envelope with a little gold seal on it. So in here I have one of the metallic paints. So what shade did I get? Extra AF, which is like a metallic gold. So this is like a nozzle. I don't know where to put it. I've just wiped the other one off. It's quite hard to get off as well, by the way. Here it comes. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on this time. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It's kind of sparkly, shimmery, but it doesn't look like it's too big. I'd say it's more of a shimmer than a glitter, but on the more glittery side. It's quite hard to explain, but typical metallic, I suppose. But yes, and that will be just beautiful to use as well. Right, and then last but certainly not least, I'm doing the Dishin the Dirt meal deal set. This is just packaging to absolutely die for, honestly. So this is the first thing, which is like a packet of crisps. It's just the detailing. Just look. So pretty. So you get to choose a colour that you want from the Crisp Finish collection. And I think there's a makeup brush in there as well. And then you get eyeshadow palette, and then you get the eyebrow products as well. And obviously you can choose the eyeshadow palette is a standard, but you get to choose the shade that you want of the Crisp Finish paint and the brow product. So I chose Sexy Chili, which is like, I believe it's like a teal green. So you open this. almost don't want to actually rip this packaging. Just take a corner. Okay, right. So we've got the crisp finish, as I say, which is the paint. Sexy chili. That is such a nice colour. Look at that. It's the prettiest teal shade I think I have ever seen in real life, unless it's been on like the telly or photos, but that is just beautiful. And they're quite hard to, I've just got my cellar water here on a cotton pad. They're quite hard to get off. Obviously if you had, you know, face wash or whatever, they'd probably come off a lot easier. But just a heads up, but that could be a positive because it ain't gonna go nowhere when it's on your face. So yeah, and then you get the colour obviously matches the paint, so it's this lovely like ombre eyeshadow brush. So it says, "What a treat," my base brushes on it. And again, lovely, lovely bristles and perfectly formed as well. Feels like it's going to be really nice to use. So yeah, oh, I'm so happy. Right, then we have in this gorgeous cup, just super, super cute. So you open it up and this is the brow products. So in here you get the Oh So Beautiful eyebrow pencil and the eyebrow paint, or eyebrow gel as it's called. So the gel, I got hazelnut latte because I wanted a lighter shade of brown. Oh, okay. Ah, so you've got your eyebrow gel on a spoolie, and then I for some reason thought that was just going to be a liquid, and then you know you paint it on. So that's actually made me quite happy. So this is just super cute, which is a lot like the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. So we've got tiny little spoolie, and oh, that's so skinny. That's going to be so easy and nice to use. Just see, yeah, really, you can't see that. It's such a fine line, but that's exactly what you want when you're trying to, you know, put in fake hairs into your brows. So yeah, again, mega excited to try those. And then look at that. Is that not the prettiest thing you've seen? Right, so this is the Sandwich Stages palette. So in here you get, like you would a sandwich, and then inside, look at that, it's like a sandwich, and there's 4 parts to this. So we've got this slice and those stunning shimmers, and there's actually, there's a mirror in these as well. These stunning shimmers, they're quite big pans. Just gonna swatch. I think I'll go for the pink. Oh, and the blue. So little swatch of these. Where are you? There. So, oh, look at that. It's the blue. Oh, and the pink. Then we've got this slice, tomato and lettuces, and these are your pastels. Stunning. Right, so running out of fingers here. So look, we've got purple, blue, yellow, green pastels, and I'm going to go switch it up a bit. So we'll go for the green. Not chalky at all. And the purple. So here, I'll go here. So we've got purple. Pastel's always a bit harder to see on camera. Just started tipping it down with rain. Got the school run soon, so standard, isn't it really? Always rains when it's school run time. And then I've got my cheese slice. I've got these beautiful mats. So I'm going to definitely go for that pink. I think I'm going to go for that buttered up as well. So right, running out of room here. So that's the pink. The yellow probably won't show up too well. A little bit, but yeah. So they're so pigmented. Cannot wait to put these on my face. And then we've got the last slice of bread. That shade is just calling my name. Well, there's actually all of them pretty much. Look, another set of mattes. Particularly like this one here and the cobalt blue. So yeah. Right, let's go for those two. Ooh. Slightly different feel to the other ones. I was not expecting that. That one just looks right up my street. Right, so this one is the more plummy shade. Oh, that's stunning. And then the cobalt, oh look at that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, I am a happy bunny. Right, I cannot wait to get these on my face, so I will definitely be doing a video very, very soon, probably my next one, because I can't wait. So yeah, look out for that one on Wednesday. So yeah, there we are. You've seen all my products that I bought from P.Louise and a couple from It Cosmetics. So yeah, please watch the video of me applying them because I literally cannot wait. So if you want to see when that one comes up, please subscribe and ding the bell to be notified of that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And thank you for watching. I will hopefully see you again soon. Bye.